If you're ready to start making money with ChatGPT and a free AI tool, you're in the right place. Michael here, and in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through step by step of how you can start making money with AI. And if you don't believe me, I'm going to give you not only a free course and proof showing exactly what I'm doing, you're going to be getting the digital playbook, which includes done for you emails, done for you videos, and all kinds of really cool stuff that we actually use ChatGPT to generate, and we drive traffic to things that we can get paid to promote with these AI generated posts. All the stuff I'm going to be showing you in today's video is pretty copy and paste, so you don't have to worry about being an expert, you don't have to have a fancy computer, and you don't really have to have any money to get started. All you have to do is use this checklist that I'm going to be giving you free today. That's going to help you get started step by step, everything that you need to start earning money today. Now, if you want to get all this stuff, all you got to do is subscribe, drop a comment, let me know you're taking action, and I will send you access to all of this right now. So let's go ahead and dive in. So once you get the digital playbook, which is right here, I would suggest you starting right here, which is another YouTube video that I made, which is a short version that'll kind of take you through how to do everything at a very high level. Now, these are just some frequently asked questions. You know, what have I done? Why AI? And I've given you little drop-down arrows so you can follow this checklist. Now I'm going to come back to this, and this is just the Get Started tab, which I like to just go over with 6 simple steps. First step is you want to go ahead and grab Go High Level. It's an all-in-one marketing software that I use, and you're going to need this because this is going to allow you to import my snapshot, which has all my funnels, all my automations, and it actually has a social planner, which allows you to schedule out content months in advance. Now, if you need some help, I would suggest you just joining a kickoff call with me, or starting a kickoff call where I don't set up, but I walk you through the process and help you set up your systems and backend software. If you don't want to do that, I put together a free course that basically just has like 27 to 12-minute videos that takes you through everything. Next step would be to start using short form content to post, which you'll see down here, which is a list of done for you short form content that you can use. And then here is the list of 130 plus different AI tools that you can get paid to promote. So let's go back to the new resource checklist, and let's go down with one of the first things you need to do is create a funnel. So if you've already got Go High Level, we're going to go over to automations. Take that back. We're going to go over to sites, and we're going to go to snapshot funnel. So this is just a basic funnel that you'll get with the snapshot. And no matter what your niche is, you're going to have some type of title. Now I'm in the AI niche, so this is what my title is. Now you're going to want some sort of longer form video, 10 to 12 minutes, kind of going more in depth about whatever tool that you are promoting, because a lot of the traffic that you're going to be getting is going to be coming from those short form content videos that you're posting on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, all those things. And you want to give them enough information and get them enough value for them to just click the button and put in their name and email. So once they do that, they are going to be put into an automation. But instead of me talking about it, let's go ahead and just confirm it on the digital playbook. So we create this simple funnel and get the snapshot and custom affiliate link. So let's just go back to here. So once you do that, we're going to go to automations. And this is where you're going to create your custom affiliate link. Or not create it, but this is how you're going to use it. So right here is a done for you automation that has about 60 emails in it. And so if we go to, let's just click one of these emails here, you'll see right here a link. Now, what this is it is a custom value. And I put this in here because if you were to upload the snapshot, you would have all my affiliate links, and you don't want that. You want to have your affiliate links. So what we got to do is we got to go to settings, back out of this, go to settings over here, go to custom values. So we're over here on custom values, but first you need to pick out an affiliate or some type of product that you want to promote. So in this case, let's just go to AI tools and we can go to whatever tool we want. Let's just go to CapCut, boom. Let's just use Go High Level since it's the tool that I'm using. All we got to do is scroll down to the very bottom and there should be a place that says affiliate program. So become an affiliate, sign up, and then you will get a link that looks like this. And so you'll copy this. We're going to go back to here. We're at the custom values tab and you're going to want to hit new custom values, enter in whatever you want to call it. And then you're going to paste your value here. I'm not going to do that because I already have mine pasted right here. This is my affiliate link and this is what I'm promoting right now. So boom. Alrighty. So we got the website. Let's go ahead and just go back. We got the website. We got the back end. Now it's time to get your short form content. So if we go here, this is a bunch of done for you content right here that you have access to. So you can also create your own AI images. And I just created a video that you can get the link to. It's going to be the one at the beginning of my channel that shows you step by step of how I create my AI army. But if you don't want to do that, I would suggest just clicking one of these videos and you're going to want to download this. So a video like this, you're not going to be able to hear it, but what it is doing is it's short form and it gets people to leave comments on your post. The more comments, the more engagement, the more the algorithm likes your post. So you're going to download this. Where am I at? Download this, and then you're going to download a lot more. And then we're going to go over to the marketing. So this tab is where you are able to schedule out your content. As you can see right here, if we go into the calendar section, I already have about all of December scheduled out with content. So when you log into your account, you're not going to have any of this. This is going to be empty. What you're going to need to do is you're going to go click right here, settings. Now we're going to connect all of your social media accounts. I have quite a few. All you need is one or two: Facebook, Instagram, maybe YouTube. You just need to start posting content and getting consistent with it. So once you have those connected, you are going to want to click down here or wherever. You don't have to click there. That's just where the open spot is for me. Boom. You're going to type. So that will it's not typing. Which pill will you choose? And then you're going to click right here where you can add video, and you would have to go here, upload video, and then you're going to upload the video that you downloaded onto your computer. Click here. We're going to go with reel. Sometimes the format doesn't work for Facebook, so you can just post it on the feed, but it's working for this video right here. And then boom, you want to schedule it out, doesn't really matter. And voila, you have a video scheduled out on your social media platforms, sending traffic to whatever link that you choose. Now, I didn't go over the next couple steps in here because they talk about creating your accounts, how to set up your avatar. I did go over this. Short form content. If you want to make your own, it's going to be in the video on my channel. And then long form content. Now, I don't use OBS. I do that for live streams, which I actually haven't done in a while, but I use a tool called Descript. So where is it? AI tools, Descript right here. It's the tool that I'm using to record. It's the tool that I use to screen share, create audios. Definitely check that out. But just to recap everything, just go to the Get Started here. Do all these. If you need help, join the kickoff call. You can message me in Discord, but that is how you can start making $100 a day by using AI and your AI clone. So that is it for this one, AI Pros, and I will see you in the next one.